Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I have another unboxing. I didn't plan to film another video today, but I just got my Macy bag for April. It came a little bit late than usually, and also after this one I will have another video with my boxy charm. So I'm most excited about the Macy bag. First, I know what's in the box charm, or at least I think. I know it's a variation in the boxes, so I have no idea which one is, which products are in mine, but kind of. Anyway, let's see what's in the Macy bag first. And this is the box for April. As usual, it comes with the card. And here is the bag for April, a little bit bigger than usually. And this one say be your own beautiful, really cute. And also, before I start with the unboxing, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Also, there is a giveaway, actually not one, two giveaways open on my channel. I'll leave the links down below if you want to check those. And let's go into the unboxing. In this comes also with the coupon. I never use those coupons. I don't know why. I wasn't in mall for a long time, and I didn't shop at Macy also since last Christmas or something like that. But anyway, it seems like in this bag we have 6 products, and I see great brands here as usually, even if they are samples. Also, I'll leave the link down below if you wanna subscribe to this box. Even if they are small samples, the brands usually are great. So this is a box that I will keep. So let's see what's in this month box. So let's pick up the first product. The first item in here, it's a face mask. It's from Moly. I'm green tea, which looks like this. I have to say that I like green tea in skincare products. I was using this week cleanser, a green tea cleanser, which was really nice. Still a Korean brand. But anyway, this is the first product in this bag. It's Moly. I'm green tea. And about this one, it's this paraben-free mask with antioxidant-rich green tea extract, helps to purify and condition the skin. The price of this is $3. So first product, then we have the pink paper as usually. I love the color of this paper. I know for those who are listening the video with the headphones, it's not a pleasure. I'm sorry for that. And I see here another product that I just got in Target box, I believe. It's from SCHMIDT'S Rose and Vanilla Natural Deodorant. Is this travel size? Always great to have, and I have to say that I didn't buy deodorant for a long time, just the one that came in the Tarte kit, because I always get them in beauty boxes, full sizes, travel sizes, and usually I get this one in a full size from FabFitFun add-ons. So great to have it on hand. This one is Rose and Vanilla Deodorant Stick, helps to absorb odor and wetness with plant and mineral delivery ingredients instead of aluminum. A full size of this is $9, and I believe on FabFitFun add-ons was $5 the full size, so it's not bad at all. Always great to have on hand. Then we have Bare Minerals. This is Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. It's a sample, and let's see how this one looks. It comes with those bubble samples, which I really like. We have 4 of them here. and we have vanilla 02, natural 05, and what else, 1007 and chestnut 09. So great to try those. Also it says a multitasking mineral based cream that helps to improve skin's hydration while providing naturally radiant coverage. A full size of this is $30. Okay, next item in here is from Kula. I think I just and I'm looking at the expiration date, and I see this one is gonna expire in 2021, so long way until then. I will leave this away because I believe I just tried one of these in one of the samples of the week, or in the one that I pre-filmed for whatever, when I'll be out for summer. Anyway, it's a Kula product. This one is Mineral Face SPF 30 unscented matte tint, powered with antioxidants and rose hip oil. This matte finish sunscreen helps protect against UV damage and premature signs of aging. A full size of this is $36. So is this one. I prefer tinted sunscreens than the white ones, because most of the white ones usually leave that white cast, which I don't like. But anyway, then we have this little tiny itsy beanie, whatever is this, from Origins. This is Origins ginseng, and it says here this is, oh, it's an eye cream, that's why. Refreshing eye cream to brighten and depuff, formulated with caffeine from coffee bean, Panax ginseng, magnolia extract, and natural optic brighteners. This eye cream helps to awaken and refresh. A full size of this is $31. I used to like Origins products. Whatever I tried until now, I like it. There was no product that I can say that I didn't like. We'll see how this one works. And as I say, the full price for this one is $31. And the last product in here, a favorite brand of mine, Korres. This is Wild Rose Advanced Brightening Sleeping Facial, which looks like this. It's a good size, and this one is infused with wild rose and rose oil and vitamin C. This moisturizing mask melts into skin to help brighten, soften, and minimize the appearance of spots. A full size of this is $48. So not quite cheap, but this is a great size and comes very often in boxes. I believe I have another one like this, but I didn't try it yet. So you might see those, not just this one, all of them in the samples of the week. If you have something that you want to ask me about, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll put them in the next sample of the week video. So so far we have 6 products. I like the products this month. I think the last month bag I like it more, but anyway, it's a good bag also. Korres sleeping mask, Origins eye cream, Kula sunscreen, Bare Minerals tinted hydrating gel cream, a face mask from Moly. This is I'm green tea, and the deluxe sample, or a tiny sample from SCHMIDT'S, if I'm saying right, the rose vanilla. So that's all in the Macy bag. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway if you would like to. I will leave the links down below as usually, and I'll see you in my next video with my boxy charm for March. Thank you so much for watching again. You have a great weekend. Bye bye.